National Half Marathon, organized jointly by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, the Meghalaya Athletics Association and the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. We welcome each and every one of you who are here, starting with the participants, the members of the organizing committee, each and everyone who are here to be present for this historic event where we have this first Sohra International Half Marathon here at Pausmai, Noxnithiang Falls viewpoint. So ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, we have the categories for the elite men, for the PRC Meghalaya, the 10-kilometer run for the above 50 years men and women, and the run for fun, which is for everyone for the 5 kilometers or 5 kilometers. To the winners of the elite women 21-kilometer run. And to do the honors, I would like to kindly request our chief guest, Shri Sampat Kumar, IAS, to kindly come forward, sir, and hand over the checks to our winner, wearing bib number 476, Richa Baburaya. Please come forward. Please give her a big hand. Second place, bib number 303, Christine Kambua. And third we have 496, Arpita Saini. They will be receiving a cash prize of 1,50,000 for the winner, 1 lakh second place, and third place 50,000. Starting with third place, please give her a big hand once again. 50,000 rupees, Arpita Saini. Second place, receiving a cash prize of 1 lakh, Christina Kambua. And to the winners, ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big hand, Richa Baburaya. We'd also like to request our guests to kindly come forward for a photograph opportunity with the winners.
Let's clap for these ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, please. It's 21 kilometers, so we cannot run like how they run, so let's cheer for them. Congratulations to all the runners.
For your information, the winner clocked in at a timing of 1 hour 13 minutes 22 seconds. Come to the elite men 21 kilometers. The winner goes to bib number 0077, Mr. Adisu Bekelu. Kindly come forward. Second place goes to bib number 337, Tirtha Paul. And the third place goes to bib number 370, Chariot. And we also have the consolation prize winner for bib number 367, Kemai Elijah, and bib number 0029, K. Bikram Meitei. Kindly come forward. Third place, Chariot, receiving a cash prize of 50,000. Second place, Titrapal, receiving a cash prize of 1 lakh. And the winner, Adisu Bekelu, cash prize of 1,50,000. He clocked in the timing of 1 hour, 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Kukinong Sohra, kukinong Shalong, yato niya tapti nam tagin hirang, gibay lekay, banwan man rekay, nakalenggari.
John F. Khashie, the president of Meghalaya State Olympic Association, to kindly come forward and hand over the checks to the winner and runner-up. Winner is bib number 504, Betaris, and the runner-up is bib number 503, Starina Jasien. Kindly come. 504 Women above 50, please kindly come forward. Of the above 50k 10-kilometer run, please give her a big hand. Oh. And we also have bib number 503, the runner-up. Kindly come forward, madam. She is Madam Starina. Please give her a big hand. Big hand. Madam Bitaris will be receiving a cash prize of rupees 15,000. And the winner will be receiving a cash prize. Have Smarless Marwin and bib number 515 Trishina and bib number 2 Madam Shayamali Chakrabarti. So they will be receiving their cash prize later on. So we just like to announce that they are also consolation prize winners. And they will all be receiving a cash prize of rupees 5,000 each. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big hand. The above 50 years winners for the 10K run.
Our guest, I think, photograph with one guest. So may I request our own Director of Sport and Youth Affairs, as Owasti, sir, kindly please do the honor in giving away the cash prize to the winner in the 10K male category. Second place we have bib number 511, that is Pinch Ngai Lang, please come forward. And the winner we have bib number 491 Badon Singh Tham, please come forward. Pinch Ngai Lang, second place, and the winner we have Badon Singh Tham. May I request our director to please hand over the cash prize to Mr. Pinch Ngai Lang, the second runners up, winning a cash of rupees 15,000. Let's clap for him. Lagi na tapti lang ken kini kilaya mare bat kilayo opisa tingin niya tapti nam ta jangki. And the first place we have Badon Singh Tham. Congratulations Badon, winning a cash prize of rupees 30,000. And we have the consolation prize, 3 consolation prize. Kedrick, please come forward. Bib number 0102. James, please come forward. Bib number 502. And Joe Brenson, bib number 381. You will receive your cash later, but we would like to see you here on the podium and a photograph with our Director of Sports. Consolation 0102, Kedrick 502 and 581. A big round of applause once again to Ning Tapti Kini Rangba Kijongi Santos Nem Shaneng Kidon. Congratulations. And kini ki ba yo sa ki ba yo consolation ki yo san mar san hajar tinka.
To run for PRC Meghalaya, and I would like to request our Commissioner Dr. Vijay Kumar kindly come forward, sir, and hand over the checks to the winners. Bib number 0005 Kintimon Marwin, kindly come forward. Second place, bib number 0001 Darisha. Bib number 477 Marquines, kindly come forward. Starting from third is Marquines. She will be receiving a cash prize of rupees 10,000. Second place, Darisha. receiving a cash prize of 15,000. And the winner goes to Kintimon Marwin, receiving a cash prize of 30,000. Please give them a big hand. We also have consolation prize winner Dublin Walang, Ibanri Akor, Nangkiw Suki Slong, Jedalin Timpoin, Joyful Timpoin, Smile Orchid Moment, Bayo Sapilin Karmuti, Wada Shishas Imli, Yang Mary Marwin, Ipindap Paryong. Kini kita bayo ya ke consolation prize. They are the consolation prize winner of rupees 5,000 each. They are wearing bib number 343, bib number 0230, bib number 333, bib number 463, bib number 468, bib number 315, bib number 499, bib number 437, and bib number 332. And last, bib number 447. A big hand for all these ladies.
Moving on to the PRC.
Sir?
So we request you, sir, to please give away also the cash awards to the PRC Meghalaya men category. In the men category, in the third place, we have bib number 319. Please come forward. Adrisha. Second place, bib number 314, Anil Guram. Please come forward. And winning the first place, we have Skemlang Suba. Please come forward. Third place, Adrisha, bib number 319. Winning a cash of 10,000. Second place, Anil Guram, winning a cash of 15,000. Bib number 314. And the champion in the PRC Meghalaya Men 21 category, first Sohra International Half Marathon, we have Skemlang Suba. Let's give them a big round of applause. So just quickly to call the consolation prize, we have bib number 323, but Sarang Sangma, please come forward. Banshan Lang, please come forward. Bib number 405, bib number 404, Shining Star Marin, come forward. 396, Monas Bongrong, please come forward. 358, Sankupar Jirwa. 324, Winter Sangma. 328, Weljon Ramsey. Bib number 100, Kevin Star Marvin, please come forward. Bib number 317, Kushal. And the last one, we have bib number 401, Livingston Karmuti. Please come forward and have a photograph with our guest. And let's give a big round of applause to all the PRC men category. The consolation, they receive a cash of rupees 5,000 each. Congratulations to all the winners.
Much to all the runners who have won. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will come to the winners of the